How to enable flash notifications on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily enable flash notifications on your Android device. So let's get started. First thing, just open up your settings on your device and just select the option that is notifications. From over here, you should scroll down, or you can just find this option at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on this flash notifications option over here. So as you can see, it will basically flash the camera light or the screen when you receive the notifications as shown on the current screen or when the alarms sound. So you can basically enable that by simply tapping on this camera flash notifications or screen flash notifications, just like this, to make a color appear on your screen when certain notifications pops up. So you can also actually click on this preview to actually view all of the changes, as you can see. So you can basically disable if you only want a camera flash notifications. So you can basically do the same for both, and you can just tap on this all apps blue link over here to manually choose between in which applications you want this feature to be live, and you can basically disable if you don't want on a particular applications or so. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.